It was Monday. I didn't put up a video yet or have a video filmed for today, so I'm gonna do one now. And this is like a quick how I do my hair real quick when I'm heading out to the gym. And I need to get a haircut. I know I'm gonna get one this week, so this is just something that I do to keep it looking like okay, but not like done. Just like, alright, I don't need a hat. I think I don't care enough that I can just go out like this. Excuse the fan noise. The switch and the fan are all in one. I can't even talk. I am so tired. I am so tired. Mom life at its realest. So yeah, the fan and the light are all one switch, so you're gonna hear the fan. But yeah, I use 3 products for my hair. I use what's this brand? Worlds of Curls Curl Activator. I've been using this for a while, some years. Some Edge Control by EBIN, and then I just use some pink sheen for my hair. Now I use 3 utensils. I use a brush, pick, and a sponge. I haven't used a sponge in a while, but I'm starting to use it since my hair is short. I'm at this awkward stage where my hair is growing in, and it's like if I had the patience I could braid it up, but I'm not going to, since I'm on a hair growth journey with my dermatologist, and she wants me to do nothing to it really for 6 months except for, like, you know what I'm doing now, which is styling it without putting any fake hair or dye or anything crazy inside of my hair. So let me go ahead, because I'm running a little late. I have to drop my son off to his grandma so I can go to the gym, and I have some stuff to do afterwards. So I'm on a time crunch. I'm also really tired, so I just want to get to the gym. That way, like, you know, when I'm working out, I'll wake up a little bit and get my day started. So yeah, so I grab a little bit of water, not too much because it is cold outside, and I don't want my hair to be wet. And I'm already, like, my hair is already short, so I don't want to be cold outside. I just grab a little water, rub it through. The coarsest part of my hair is right in the center part. I grabbed some of this World of Curls Curl Activator. I think there's glycerin in it or something, because the texture of it is really thin, but it gets my hair so moisturized, and my hair loves it. It is glycerin in it. But yeah, my hair likes glycerin. It feels very moisturized, and even when I wash it out, my hair doesn't feel dry. So it definitely, I love this product because of my coarse hair, and I know how dry it can get. But with my hair care routine, my hair is like really like moisturized and doing way better than I've ever done before. So I just put that all in my hair, take a nice finger glob. And it just makes my hair feel really soft and moisturized. My son is waking up. Great. So, sponge. Just work it in a little bit, clockwise. Get my haircut this Thursday, so get it nice and like tapered up. And clean it up a little bit. I'll tell you, it's been rough. It's been really rough this lately. Let me put the pacifier in his mouth. So he's 2 months and 4 weeks. Or 3 weeks. Going on 4 weeks. He'll be 4 weeks this Wednesday. And we're at the stage where he wants to roll over. Like, if I put him, he likes to sleep on his side. He doesn't like to sleep on his back. He'll sleep on his side. And then when he feel like he want to be a little a-hole and he doesn't want to sleep at night, I'm use some of the edge control and put it on my edges a little bit, not too much. I don't want to look crazy. But yeah, he's at the stage where he'll roll over on his back, or he'll roll over on his stomach when he's feeling like, oh, I don't want to, I lay on my side. And then if he roll on his back, that means he's up. He's not going to sleep, because he doesn't like to sleep on his back at all. So, and then he's also at a point where like he wants to like try to sit up on his own. If he's laying on his back, he'll try to like push up, and he's trying, but he's not like really getting it yet. Or if he's in your arm and you have him like laid back in your arm, he's trying to sit up. So he's developing a lot of muscles in his back, or a lot of strength in his muscles in his back, I should say. So yeah, kind of lift it up so that there's no gaps inside of the where I did the sponge. Usually I don't need any additional oil on my hair or anything, but sometimes I do for a little bit more shine. So I take this oil sheen and lightly like spray it over, and that's it. Alright, that's pretty much it. It's just so that I can look a little bit like kept up